welcome to my channel. My name is Eleni and I thought that I should try a voiceover for the first time today. Let me know what you think. You can find the link to a free printable sketch of this girl that I'm painting today in the description box that is under this video. You can download it and print it and come and play along with me. For the shading, I'm using a blending stamp to smudge the pencil. So if you have printed the face, you can go over the lines with a regular pencil or a charcoal pencil before doing this step. I mostly shade over the eyes, under the nose, under the lips, under the chin, around the face, over the eyebrows, on one side of the nose, and all of this helps so that the face doesn't look flat. I also shade around the hairline and in some areas of the hair, as you can see here. Here I'm using white gesso to smudge it further, but this also makes it water resistant. Try to get gesso that is as matte as possible, because later on we're going to use pencils over this, colored pencils, and those don't work as well over shiny surfaces. I'm using Jane Davenport's gesso that is matte enough. Another one that you can use is also Liquitex, the white or the clear one. Now I'm going in with Stabilo All, that is a colored pencil that works over all surfaces. It's very pigmented and it's water soluble. So I'm using white gesso to smudge this again, and this way I get even darker shading. I have to tell you that I never plan before I start a journal page. I just improvise as I go. So here I started to paint with my watercolors, but I did not like how it looked. So I took out my palette pastels instead. My palette pastels are by Jane Davenport, and they are my absolutely favorite medium, as you can use them over almost everything and make it look smooth. You just have to have at least one set of them. That is my opinion anyway. So if you can't get all 4 sets of them, try to get at least the one called Birthday Suit that has all the face colors you need. Going in with colored pencils here for more darker shading, and the brands I'm using are Prismacolor. I have a set with face colors, and I also use Faber-Castell Polychromos and Jane Davenport's Magic Wands. This is the black Prismacolor that is great for the darkest areas. White paint pens are great for highlights. Here I'm using Jane Davenport's paint pen, but you can also use the Posca marker. Both of those are my favorite paint pens. Black permanent marker for the darkest darks. I'm using one from the Finishing Line pens set by Jane Davenport. I'm going to use a tissue paper for her dress, so I have to make sure I get only one of the 3 layers for the collage. I use Ranger's Matte Multimedium as a glue and let it dry completely. This water brush helps me cut the tissue paper easily. And now I'm playing with paint pens and other mediums I used previously. For the background I use matte acrylics, and these are by Marabou. I use matte acrylics because maybe I'll do more art on this page, maybe not, who knows. So it's good to have a background that is matte so that I can use whatever medium I want over it. I thought she needed darker hair, so I go in with colored pencils here to make it darker. I also used Stabilo Woodies colored pencils that are fun to play with. And this is it. Hope you came along and played with me, and hope you had fun, maybe even learned something. Thank you for being here. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also click the bell beside the subscribe button, because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon. Love and kisses.